Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the complex world of climate change. What it is, its causes, effects, and most importantly, the actions we can take to mitigate its impact. So, let's get started. What is climate change? Climate refers to the long-term patterns and averages of weather conditions in a particular region. Climate change, on the other hand, refers to significant, lasting changes in the Earth's climate patterns over an extended period. It is often associated with the increase in global temperatures, alterations in precipitation patterns, and shifts in weather events. Let's explore what are the key factors driving this climate change. One major contributor to climate change is human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and various industrial processes release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. These gases create an enhanced greenhouse effect, trapping heat and leading to a rise in Earth's surface temperature. Deforestation plays a significant role as well. Clearing forests reduces the number of trees acting as carbon sinks, disrupting the Earth's carbon balance. This contributes to higher levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide, intensifying the greenhouse effect. Industrial activities, such as manufacturing and chemical production, also release substantial amounts of greenhouse gases and pollutants into the air. Identifying and addressing these sources is crucial for effective climate action. Agriculture isn't exempt either. Livestock farming and rice cultivation release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. The use of synthetic fertilizers further adds to the issue by contributing to nitrous oxide emissions. Even our waste management practices have consequences. Improper disposal and decomposition of organic waste in landfills produce methane, adding to greenhouse gas emissions. Adequate waste management is key to curbing this impact. Human-induced activities are the primary drivers of contemporary climate change. The burning of fossil fuel stands out as the largest single source of global greenhouse gas emissions. Let's see what are the possible effects of climate change. Climate change is driving global temperatures to new heights, resulting in heat waves, altered weather patterns, and ecosystem shifts. This impacts not only our daily lives but also the delicate balance of nature. The melting of polar ice caps and glaciers is a visible consequence, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal erosion, flooding, and community displacement are becoming more prevalent as a result. Across the globe, we're witnessing an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and wildfires. These events pose significant challenges to both human and environmental resilience. Elevated carbon dioxide levels are not just affecting the air, they're also altering our oceans. Increased acidity harms marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate skeletons like corals and shellfish. Climate change disrupts habitats, leading to the loss of biodiversity. Many species struggle to adapt, pushing some to the brink of extinction. Our ecosystems are facing unprecedented challenges. Changes in precipitation patterns are impacting water availability, affecting agriculture, water supplies, and ecosystems. Crop yields are under threat, leading to food shortages and economic challenges for farmers. Beyond the environment, climate change is impacting public health. The spread of infectious diseases, heat-related illnesses, and strains on health infrastructure are becoming more prevalent. Unfortunately, vulnerable communities bear the brunt of these changes. Factors like location, socioeconomic status, and resource access magnify the disproportionate impacts they face. Understanding the effects of climate change is crucial for collective action. As we navigate these challenges, let's work together to build a sustainable and resilient future. Let's see what are the actionable steps we can take to mitigate climate change. First crucial step is shifting towards renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we can significantly cut down carbon emissions and pave the way for a cleaner, sustainable future. Implementing and incentivizing energy-efficient technologies is key. From industries and transportation to buildings, embracing these innovations will lower overall energy consumption, making a substantial impact. Increasing forest cover is vital. Through reforestation and afforestation projects, we not only absorb carbon dioxide but also promote biodiversity, creating a healthier environment for all. Investing in technologies that capture and store carbon emissions is another crucial measure. By preventing these emissions from reaching the atmosphere, we can actively combat the negative effects of industrial processes and power plants. Let's focus on sustainable farming. By reducing deforestation, implementing precision agriculture, and promoting eco-friendly farming practices, we can minimize the environmental impact of food production. Recycling, waste reduction, and promoting a circular economy are essential. These actions minimize resource consumption and reduce our environmental footprint, fostering a more sustainable way of living. Climate change is a global challenge, and collaboration is key. Let's encourage worldwide efforts by sharing technologies and resources, working together towards a more sustainable future. It's crucial to adapt to the impacts of climate change. Developing resilient infrastructure and communities will help us face the challenges ahead and build a more sustainable world. Finally, raising awareness is paramount. By educating ourselves and others about climate change and its consequences, we foster a sense of responsibility, encouraging individuals and communities to adopt sustainable practices. As we conclude this journey into combating climate change, remember, the power to make a difference lies in each of our hands. By collectively embracing renewable energy, fostering efficiency, and championing sustainable practices, we can shape a future that's not just eco-friendly but resilient. So, let's be the generation that acts, the generation that leaves a legacy of a thriving planet for future generations. Share this video, spread awareness, and let's inspire change. Together, we have the ability to turn the tide and create a sustainable world we can all be proud of. If you find these videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.